In particular, in these days, our world is more and more based on technology and data management, etc. And mathematics is all about finding patterns. And patterns are very useful in many, many areas of life, in science, in industry, and we have now discovered that they're also useful in our social media, social interactions, etc. So that mathematics is the way to model all of that. What is abstract thinking in mathematics? Is a way that you can either solve particular problems with particular techniques or go by case solving, or you can see that from above and see, okay, there is a pattern and I have this theorem that solves everything at once. And then you just give particular solutions when you need them. Take for instance, linear algebra, which is one of the basic pieces of mathematics, made of matrices and so on. This can be used to solve equations that give me how animals interact among each other, or the Google search engine is based on that. It's the same, very same idea, and it's the same principle, so abstract thinking is what mathematics do. For enjoying something like mathematical studies, I think you enjoy it more if you have an open and creative mind, if you're determined, if you want to know, if you're curious, and if you also love this power of abstract thinking. And say, okay, I can. It's like sometimes like music. Music is nice because it's the sound is good, or because the lyrics are good, but also because the structure is nice. And repetitions, we love repetitions, and we love the harmony. I can enjoy the way mathematics look at the world. This trying to understand patterns and things mathematics do. Mathematics is essentially counting, measuring, sorting, and we do that every day in almost every area of our lives. And we can discover the beauty of mathematics and the passion of mathematics. So it's not that I make mathematics entertaining. It is entertaining. It is very interesting. I just show this part of it, because normally the way we approach mathematics is very based on operations, and maybe it's not the right gate through which to enter the world of mathematics. And sometimes we feel it has nothing to do with nothing else outside of the mathematics classroom. But it has to do a lot with lots of things, our interactions in life, and also it's fun. This is one way to say mathematics is much more than being a human calculator. Being a human calculator is, well, that we do have calculators and we do have computers. But the beauty of thought and the beauty of knowledge and the beauty of understanding is what mathematics can give in some areas that other disciplines cannot. Get engaged with your studies, because the progress in mathematics is not about the results of your operations, it's about the process, and it's about understanding. And for understanding, you need to get involved. But trying to avoid understanding by just using calculations is a mistake. So you focus on understanding, then the calculations will come. The technique will come, or the computers and calculators and ChatGPT, whatever. But understanding is paramount.